It's that time of the year again. Mango is in season. Obviously, we don't have mangoes in England, but for a few weeks we get Indian mangoes available here. So I make the most of it and use it for every other dessert that we have. And today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite mango and pistachio cakes. It is heaven. That's 100 grams of pistachios and I'm just going to blitz it. Here it is, all blitzed up.
Butter.
So I've got here 225 grams of softened butter. To this I'm going to add 225 grams of golden caster sugar. You can use any kind of sugar you like. And also goes in 225 grams of self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, you can add plain flour with 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then goes in a teaspoon of baking powder and 4 eggs. Two tablespoons of milk as well. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix it for 1 minute. And here is the pistachio, which will go in after a minute. But I'm not going to add all of it. I'm just going to keep a couple of tablespoons out for putting it, using it for decoration later. Now I'm going to mix it for another 1 minute. And just look at that mixture. It is stunning. Right, just look at that mixture. It's beautiful. You can tell that the cake is going to be lovely and light. I have got here 2 7-inch cake tins. Obviously that's what I had right now, but you can use 8-inch. You could use a 9-inch cake tin, and I'm going to divide this into 2 almost equal portions. And then I've got the oven getting warmed up at 180C or 160 fan, and then this is going to go in for around 25 minutes or so. Then I'm going to check. This is going to go in the oven at 180C for 25 minutes, and then I'm going to check. It might need a bit longer, so yeah, always check. But this looks stunning. For the icing, I have got here 200 grams of double cream, and I have also got a 250 grams pot of mascarpone cheese. If you can't find that, you can just use more double cream. So in goes the cream and mascarpone cheese, and it just tastes the best with fresh mango. And then I'm going to add some sugar to this. So that's 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of caster sugar goes in, and then I'm just going to whisk it till it's soft peaks. And here I have got some Indian mangoes. Here I've got Alfonso and Lonely Kesar as well. And just the smell of these mangoes is so intense and lovely. pureed the pulp of 2 mangoes, and I'll tell you exactly how much that is. So I am going to add around 100 grams of the pulp. That's it, 100 grams of the pulp, and then just combine it. Oh, this is going to be awesome. So I'm gonna get one of the cakes on. So excited. This is my first mango cake of the season. Yeah. Goes in half the cream. Then the second cake goes on top. And here goes in the second layer. Beautiful. And I'm going to put all the rest of the cream . There you go. So now I'm going to try and decorate with these mango slices. So make a nice border. Fast forward kar de beta, stop. Then I'm gonna finish it with the pistachio pieces. That is my favorite time of the day, when I get to taste and eat the cake. Wow. To eat. That looks good. The sponge is soft, the icing is fresh, and it's got loads of mango. That is awesome. That's just awesome. That's my slice, which I'm going to now eat. So I better say bye. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Which is your favorite cake? Mine is fresh sponge, and this is one of them. And I'll see you again very soon for another brand new recipe. If you make any of my recipes and share it on social media, do tag me, because I love to see you all cooking. Thanks, and bye for now.